Oh man, I'm blown out of my fucking mind. I don't give a fuck. Hey, you know, I'm in this bitch chillin'. Yup. Motherfucking beast, off or on the camera, it don't matter. I'm a motherfucking beast on the motherfucking camera. Now you hear me live. Now I'm back up in this bitch. Now it's springtime. Now it's stun time. All shit was poppin'. Every time I be in this bitch club hopping. Ain't shit stopping. We up in this bitch. Badass bitch. She on my dick, I don't give a shit. As long as she suck the shit, that shit feel good. I had to say the shit. I be thinking about it sometimes, all the time. Fucking, I don't give a fuck. I put her on all my lines. I don't give a fuck. I waste her on all my lines. She ain't know I sing at a time, and you know I just do it and just go through it and just try and stack the bread. That's what the fuck I'm conquering. That's what I'm on. That's my fucking option. Either yes or no. Fuck them options. I'll be in this bitch, I gotta choose one. I'll be in this bitch, I choose the right one. Don't nobody see what the fuck I see, or what the fuck do you hear. I don't really care, I'm just over here saying what the fuck I feel like. I'm up in this bitch, gotta shine in the light. I'm up in this bitch and taking the bike, and I'm riding the bike like a motherfucker that's riding down the street, just cycling, just a life cycling. This is me biking and yeah, climbing mountains. And this bitch ain't talking about in the public and housing. I'm in this bitch, representing for everybody, getting it out and getting it in and out. Real shit, getting it in or getting out to do something. Today it's a beautiful day. I also say the bad bitches down the block, they wanna play in my motherfucking new toy, what I bought. I be in this bitch, man, they can fucking hawk. Real shit, chase a nigga and call me after dark and do whatever you feel like. I don't give a fuck. I'm smoking on the light and doing the things and doing what the fuck I'm doing. Doing what the fuck I'm choosing, doing what I'm doing. Guaranteed I'm never losing, I don't give a fuck, man. I be in this bitch straight killing. I don't give a fuck, man, cause I'm straight feeling like a nigga that did I just yawn on the beat? Damn. Well, I'm tired of running the game, and I'm tired of fucking around and saying the same thing on these freestyles. I'll be fucking around on these freestyles of motherfuckers. I don't give a fuck, cause they freestyles. To tell you the truth, I'll be in this bitch, man. I'll be spitting no booth, real shit. I'll be trying to spit the truth, but I'm in this bitch. Shit, I am spitting the truth. I'm doing what I do. I'm doing, keeping it cool. That's all I'm fucking doing. I'm in the news. I'm everywhere. Own everything. I wanna be everywhere. Own everything. Killing shit over and over. It don't matter. It doesn't matter. The motherfucking mind has the matter. And the explanations to explain them, so I'm back in this bitch headed for the goal. I'm back in this bitch thinking of some gold. That's on my mind. Got a motherfucking shine in the motherfucking light. I don't give a fuck, man. Yeah. That's why I'm killing every motherfucking thing. I don't give a fuck, haters. Yeah.